Good afternoon, everyone. Now, let's have a quick look on the answer key of English 4th semester, second year, coded ENG 202F. So, our very first question is in Tagore's The Home and the World, what is Nikhil's instance Swadesi moment? Just give me a second. Huh. So, its answer would be first A. He questions its ethical impacts on the poor. Question number second. Who represents the aggressive nationalist ideology in the home and the world? Nonetheless, it was Sandeep. Our next question is third. What is primary setting of the home and the world? It is the colonial Bengal. Fourth, in the home and the world, which character serves as Nikhil's mentor and moral compass? It is Chandranath Babu. Question number fifth is which event of Indian struggle for freedom does the home and world refer to? It is Swadesi movement, which was led in 1905. Sixth question is what is the central social critic in Premanand's Nirmala? It is the dowry system. Who is elderly husband of the young protagonist Nirmala in Premchand's titular novel? It was Totaram. What happens to Mansaram in the novel Nirmala? He dies of tuberculosis. In the novel Nirmala, what is Nirmala's ultimate fate? It was a tragic, lonely death. Question number 10th is In the Flood by T.S. Pillai was originally written in Malayalam. In Pillai's In the Floods, who is left behind on the roof during the flood? The pariah dog. In the history in the floods, Chenan spots a big boat after heavy rainfall for the correct answer should be 3 days, but if we go through the chapters, it had been written that 2 to 3 days. It means 2 could be also true, but we should go with 3. Question number 13th is the tension in Amritsar Agya story is primarily felt inside the railway compartment. The story Amritsar Agya is set against the backdrop of partition of India. How does the Babu character change by the end of the train journey in Amritsar Agya? He turns into a violent participant, option number B. 16th asks, who among the following narrates the stories of Burma war in the beginning of Amritsar Agya? It was Pathan, option number D. Question number 17 is Rebiti is considered one of the first modern short stories in Odia. What causes the tragic downfall of Rebiti's family in the story Rebiti? A cholera epidemic, option number C. Question number 19 is the story Rebiti is about a young girl in desire for education. What is the name of the village in the story Rebiti? It was Patapur. Question number 21 is the process of converting text from one script to another is known as transliteration. 22 asks, what does David do in the story Cake? As per the lines of Cake, it should be proofreading. But I don't know why Google had suggested all of the above. But my gut feeling says go with proofreading because it had been written in the book. In which person is the story Cake narrated? First person, because writer had tell us a story by his own perspective. The story Cake talks about it had mainly talked about urban Indians, but who had anglicized themselves. So there is contrary between B and C. Amrita Pritam's Prem to Waris Shah addresses Waris Shah to mourn tragedy of Punjab partition. Option number B. Question number 26 is which river is mentioned as being filled with poison in Amrita Pritam's to Waris Shah? It was Chenab. Amrita Pritam's to Waris Shah is originally written in Punjabi. Option number B. Question number 28 is mingled with poison by whom are the waters of five rivers and this torrent of pollution unceasingly covers our earth. These lines are taken from option number B to Waris Shah. C is an obstinacy to rise from anywhere, anytime. What poems ends with these lines? It was the grass, option number A. Question number 30 is C is a gypsy driven from all the cities in the world, now looking for its lost name and place in dust of your town. Who is called a gypsy here? It was grass, option number C. The poem Grass is translated from Punjabi to English. So many students had get confused between Hindi and Punjabi because in Hindi it had been titled as Grass, but it popularly known as Pash. In the poem Grass, the poet celebrates all of the above. Option number D. Kabir is the poet of Nirguna Bhakti. I would like to go in detail, but due to lack of time, I have to be set my words a limit. So let's move further. Question number 34 is it is endless to ask of a joint the caste to which they belongs for the priest, the warrior, the tradesman, and all the 30 mixed castes alike are seeking for God. Identify the writer of these lines. It was our D Kabir. Option number D. It God it God be within the Moors, then to whom does this world belong? I think instead of it should be if. If Ram be within the image which you find upon your pilgrimage, then who is there to know what happens without? Identify the author of these lines. Again, it is Kabir. Tell me, O Savan, your ancient tale, from what land do you come, O Swan? To what shore will you fly? Where would you take rest, O Swan? And what do you seek? Who is the author of these lines? It was option number D, Kabir. Question number 37 is title of the play Ashar Ka Ek Din is derived from Meghdutam. Mohan Rakesh play Ashar Ka Ek Din consists of 3 acts. Such a thin book it is, but really a very powerful message it contains. Let it off. Question number 39 asks who is the central character of Ashar Ka Ek Din? It was Kalidas, option number A. Question number 40 is which of the following character has to waver between his ambition for fame and his love in Ashar Ka Ek Din? Option number A is Kalidas. 41 asks in the play Ashar Ka Ek Din which king invites Kalidas to his court? Chandragupta, option number A. 42 asks what does Kalidas leave Malika? Why does Kalidas leave Malika in Ashar Ka Ek Din? Option number C. He is invited to the royal court for fame and success. 43. Which is the original language of the play Silence, the court is in session? Marathi. Option number B. 44. My private life is my own business. I decide what to do with myself. Everyone should be able to. That can't be anyone else's business. Understand? Who writes these lines in Silence, the court is in session. It was Binare, Leela Binare. 45 asks, who calls Mrs. Kashikar Mrs. Hand that rocks the cradle? In Silence, the court is in session. Again, Binare, option number C. 46. In Silence, the court is in session. Who is primary target of the mock trial? Leela Binare. It had misprinted. Option number D is the answer. 47. The trial in Vijay Tendulkar Silence, the court is in session, exposed the hypocrisy of middle class morality in India. 48. Sujit Mukherjee views that Indian translator primarily as a discoverer. Option number D. 49 asks, Sujit Mukherjee's article translation as new writing is taken from the entitled option number C, translation as discovery. Question number 50 is, what is a major limitation of current machine translation softwares? It was option number C, inability to grasp nuances of metaphors. So thank you. Here's a quick answer key.